Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing. Anyway, we're going to make a kiwi smoothie today. Alright? You know what happened? I was in my fridge and I'm going through my fruits and only find 2 kiwi left. Should I put them in the bin? No way. I'm not gonna be wasting it. First of all, what you need to do is get your Ninja blender or a blender. What kind of blender you have at home? Lot of ice. See it? Lots of ice. And all you're going to do is to roughly about 2 tablespoons of honey inside of it like this. Second thing is you're going to get a piece of a ginger. Because I love ginger personally. I love my ginger. And I always making my juice with ginger. Cut up the ginger inside of it just like that. Second thing, if you have any lime or lemon, squeeze off of it inside of it like this. Alright, so that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it also. I got 2 kiwi. All I'm going to do is to remove the skin from the kiwi. You can get kiwi at the local shop or supermarket to buy. Alright, this kiwi is really ripe, so that's fine. It's nice. I'm gonna just simply cut them up and put them in my Ninja blender like this. It's because of the kind of weather at the moment. Outside is warm, really hot, and you need to cool on yourself with something really fresh, cool and nice. So I'm gonna remove the skin from the kiwi like what you see I'm doing right here. Just like this and just like this. Once move the kiwi skin, cut it up very small, put it inside of your Ninja blender. Just don't be careful when you're using your knife and do not cut yourself up. Alright? Second thing, if you have any fresh mint, you don't have to, but personally I love my mint. I'm gonna just put 2 pieces of mint inside of it just like this to get in a lovely flavor. And also 2 slices of cucumber. You don't have to put those ingredients if it doesn't have it. Don't worry yourself and say, oh, Chef Ricardo putting too much things in that. Alright? And we're going to blend this now for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes. If you have a good Ninja blender, you are good to go, guys. Honestly, it's all about the good blender, and that's it. So we're going to blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes and good to go. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished. So what we're going to do, just simply remove it. Very easy recipe, guys. You guys can do this at home, and I know the kids definitely will love this one. Alright, if you're a person who loves kiwi like myself, I love kiwi, because kiwi is really good for us. So what we're going to do is pour it straight inside of our blender like in our cup. So I'm gonna just, because I don't want to mess up my really nice come out. Yeah, this one come out lovely and nice. I do like it, but you know what I mean, we could have more. It's fine. This is how it look. Really icy and fresh and nice. So that's all. I love it. Yeah, I love it that kind of way, guys. Ah, man, look at that. Wow, look at that. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipe coming up. We got a lot more icy recipe like this. A lot more things will be coming from Chef Ricardo. I love you all. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch my video. Tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. As you can see, this is a kiwi smoothie for the summer. Enjoy the recipe and please subscribe my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Ricardo. Follow me on all social network. I'm there for you with the best and healthy recipe in this whole wide world. I love you all and I will see you next time. Bye bye.